Hello guys, well in this video I would like to show you how to open the port from your Kubernetes cluster with the help of NodePort. And the only thing is that we have to make the NodePort static. As you may know, when you try to forward your port from Kubernetes cluster with the help of NodePort, well, the port is configured dynamically. But in this video, we will make it static. So first thing first, we have pretty simple application. Hello application YAML. Let's have a look what inside this application. Well, we'll see the name, we'll see replica sets, and we'll see the open port for this application. I mean that this application is going to listen to this port, okay? And we will try to forward this port to outside the Kubernetes cluster with a custom static node port. Okay, let's close this file and try to apply it. kubectl apply -f hello application.yaml. Okay, let's enter. Well, the application has been created. Let's see what we've got about this application. Yes, we've got it finally. Nice. This simple command will allow you to make a node port from your hello world application to the external world. The only thing that the port will be chosen automatically. I mean dynamically. Let's try. Okay, service port. With the help of the command kubectl get svc, we see that our application has been forwarded to this port number to the external world. Okay, so I have my tiny Windows machine, and we see that our application is finally reachable outside the cluster through the dynamic port 31870 port. But we now will try how to make our node port static. First of all, we are going to delete our dynamic node port. We have to use a little bit different command. Okay, service, example service has been deleted. And we see that our application is no longer available through the old dynamically configured port. Okay. Now let's try to make our port static, and I have another YAML file for service, which will make our port static. This is the file. Let's have a look what we got inside it. We have the listener port, right? The port of our application inside the port network. And we have also our statically configured node port. Okay, let's try to apply this YAML service file to our configuration. Okay, kubectl apply myself hello NodePort.yaml, and we are applying it. Okay, service has been created. Let's check this out. Oh yes, unfortunately we've got the service, and we have also the port mapping between our internal port, which is the port of our application inside the port network, and we have our statically configured node port. Oops, I think I did a mistake because I applied the wrong YAML service file. Let's try. We actually need to apply this one. Okay, let's have a look what inside our correct YAML service file. Okay, as you can see, it's a little bit different, right? But we also have the source port and the destination port of our external network, which will be available for our external network. Now what we're gonna do, we have to delete our old hello world service, right? Okay, good, still delete, right? So we're deleting this service. Yes, and let's apply our hello SVC file, right? Okay. Oh, great. We apply this file, right? Let's try to look what we've got in our services. Yes, we still have the mapping, and now I'm going to show you what is happening in our Windows machine. You see that we finally have the connection to our statically assigned NodePort, right? Well, and you know what? Now I would like to show you a trick. When I Googled for this case, or how to assign the NodePort statically, well, actually, I didn't find the necessary information, and therefore I had to investigate it on my own. And I found the command, right, which will redirect our service YAML file to the custom YAML file, okay? Yes, and now we are going to look what we have in our YAML file, right? We have this option dry run client, which allows us to redirect the command of kubectl right to our YAML file. Okay, so let's see what we've got there. Yes, so this is the clean YAML file of our NodePort service, right? And I had to investigate how to insert here, how to configure this file in order to assign this static port, right? Which we see here, it's 130080, right? So, and let's see what I've done for this file. We have our working YAML file, which I applied just a couple of minutes ago. Yes, and as you may see, I added only this option, right? We have this destination port, right? Well, and after this configuration, I made this custom node port reachable for the external network. Yes, so that's what we got. That's what we have to do in order to forward the traffic from our port network to external network with the help of NodePort. Well, good luck, guys. If you have some questions or additional information, please leave it in comments.